Okay, everybody connected. Everything's good. Let's start the match in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that looks like the end of autonomous. No score. Let's start teleop in 3, 2, 1, go. Looks like 1718's got some sort of grinding gears. Looks like their lift might be jammed. They're trying to work it out. There it goes. It looks like it's moving up and down now. Let's see if they can get it to score that mobile goal. Those mobile goals are a lot heavier than they look. So the robots have to do quite a bit to score them. Very nice score by 1718. Meanwhile, on the other side of the field, I'm not sure what's going on here. The robots seem to be struggling to drive straight. We're having a few connectivity issues, but we're going to try to resolve it. That's about 30 seconds here now. Red's got a big lead, lots of mobile goals.